Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the 6th video of my India to Vietnam series. In this video we will cover things to do in Ho Chi Minh City. In my previous videos I have covered Hanoi, Halong Bay, Da Nang and Hoi An, and you can find the links to these videos in the description box. After visiting Da Nang and Hoi An, we flew from Da Nang to Ho Chi Minh City, which was also the last leg of our Vietnam trip. I had booked an airport pickup with booking.com and the taxi took us to our hotel, which was GK Central Hotel. After checking into the hotel room, I was really disappointed, as the room did not offer any windows, and even on request the hotel did not change our room. The only good thing about the hotel was the location of the hotel, as it was centrally located and all the tourist spots were within walking distance. To tell you about Ho Chi Minh City, it is actually Vietnam's largest city. It is a fast-paced urban area full of diverse people. At one end you will find street vendors selling fresh fruits and vegetables, and you will also find ritzy Western style bars and boutiques in this city. The first tourist spot on our list was the Reunification Palace. It is also known as the Independence Palace. And if you are interested in the history of Vietnam, then a visit to this place is a must. This palace is a living testimony of the turbulent history of Vietnam, and it offers a unique and immersive experience for the visitors. The palace consists of many rooms with authentic exhibits from the South Vietnam era. It includes furniture, paintings, documents, and a lot more, and the entrance fee is reasonable at 40,000 VND, that is approximately rupees 140 per person. After visiting this palace, we went to the War Remnants Museum. This museum is located in the Ho Chi Minh City, and it contains exhibits relating to the first Indochina War and the Vietnam War. So the history buffs would like to see this kind of museum, and you can easily spend one and a half hour here. So after finishing off this museum, we went to a cafe called Hum Cafe and Restaurant. It is located very near to the War Remnants Museum. It is a vegan restaurant which offers a cozy and calming atmosphere, and it is best to visit the restaurant with a prior reservation, as it is generally crowded. After having a great lunch at this restaurant, we went back to our hotel for resting. Then in the evening we wanted to explore malls in the Ho Chi Minh City, and we decided to visit Vincom Center Mall. And on our way to the Vincom Center, we encountered this Rolls-Royce showroom in the Union Square Mall. So I took some photos in front of the amazing Rolls-Royce cars, and after that we went to the Vincom Center Mall and explored that mall. For the next day, we had planned to visit the Cu Chi tunnels. So I booked the Cu Chi tunnels tour with Klook.com, and the tour costed me approximately rupees 1500 INR per person. The pickup bus arrived at the hotel at sharp 7:30 am, and thereafter it continued other pickups. After that, we were en route to the Cu Chi area. On our way, our bus stopped at the Handicraft Center. And at that center they explained that how they make the paintings with eggshells. The paintings were really beautiful, and they also had an exhibition center where people could purchase these paintings. After the handicraft center, we went ahead to the Cu Chi area, and finally after reaching the Cu Chi area, what we saw at first was the discarded artillery in the Cu Chi site.
The documentary film. It will summarize information about the Cu Chi Tunnel here. You know this movie made during the Vietnam War, 1967. Okay, my friend, follow me this way. This way. Dạ, dẫn coi phim chị, cho khách coi phim chị. Okay, this way. Follow me this way, my friend. Okay, my friend, look on his body side, look like the American, right? That's why the wider side for him. Okay, put the lip on opening, brother. Camouflage, camouflage. Okay, and then, okay, step inside. Keep balance. And straighten it up, brother. Straighten it up. You have to lift it up. Without closing, you will be killed by the US soldier. Look at me, brother. Smile. Okay. Okay, our group now just about 14 people. We lost one already. Yeah. Okay, he will come back over there, my friend. Okay, you are allowed to try. Anyone, you can continue to try. He come here already. You can continue to try, my friend. Come back here, brother. You see, the body side, the American even wider. He very struggle to get out. It's not easy, my friend. Okay. Okay, congratulations, brother. Yeah.
Overall, visiting the Chi tunnels was a really interesting experience. It gave me a whole new appreciation for the Vietnamese ingenuity, persistence and endurance. After returning from the Chi tunnels, it was already late afternoon, so we went back to the hotel and rested for some time. In the evening, we went to the amazing Ben Thanh market and did some cheap shopping in this market. And on the next day, we planned to visit the Saigon post office. Saigon Post Office is a really beautiful building with many decorations inside, and it is still operational as a post office. And inside this building you can not only buy stamps and postcards, but you can also buy souvenirs and a lot more things. You can also see the old era telephone booths which were used to make long distance calls before the mobile phones came into existence. These booths were used to make international calls to many different countries, and each country had a designated booth. We also saw the Notre Dame Basilica, which is just next to the post office, but it was under repairs, so we could not actually go inside or take any good photos outside it. And on that evening we also went to the Vivo City Mall in Ho Chi Minh, and we found that this mall was good with some good branded products. And the next day we flew back from Ho Chi Minh to Kolkata, and that was the end of this amazing 12-day trip which we did in Vietnam. So I hope you like this series. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.